Hydration System. Help get your hair back to good. Is your hair feeling out of sorts? Use all 3 of the products in MONAT's Hydration System to bring back moisture, vibrance, and shine. A must-have for anyone with dry hair. Renew Shampoo. Restore balance to your well-worn tresses. What options do you have for your hair when it's feeling out of sorts, dry, and brittle? Our Renew Shampoo helps to support the restoration of youthful vitality by adding essential moisture back into the hair. Restore Leave-In Conditioner, the ultimate throwback Thursday for your hair. There is a better option to help bring back your brilliance. A hydrating leave-in conditioner designed to revive each strand, leaving your hair with a softer, silkier finish. Replenish Masque. Never settle. Indulge your thirsty strands with the luxury of Replenish. This premium hair mask is the ideal solution for helping to restore moisture to your seemingly unquenchable strands. Hydrate your dry, damaged, and overprocessed hair with vital nutrients for improving hair strength and vitality. Say goodbye to bad hair and hello to MONAT. We are modern nature.